Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video and my YouTube channel. Today guys, we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone talkback setting, and today video title is guys how to disable talkback. Friends, you have this talkback setting in your Tecno phone, and once you are not operating your phone easily, and how to disable guys talkback today guys, I will show you, I will tell you one by one and step by step guys. Easily guys, we can disable talkback in any Android phone and any Tecno mobile guys. So then first of all, how to use talkback. So friends, you can use guys, you want to swipe guys you up and down, so where you can scroll it with your two fingers. One finger guys you cannot scroll, you can see guys one finger will not work in talkback settings. So with the two finger use it, and friends click on your phone setting. Phone setting guys, we will click here and guys double tap continue. After click guys phone setting and scroll it, you can see this type of interface. So I scroll it one finger friends, you can see we cannot scroll. Two finger you can use it. So with two finger accessibility setting is, first of all open your special function with double tap. Last guys you can see accessibility, click here and guys again double tap. Then guys click on talkback with two fingers. Use talkback with two fingers. One tap here and double tap guys. One tap and double tap. Stop talkback guys, one tap and get double tap to disable your talkback. So friends, your talkback will disable guys easily. You can operate your Tecno mobile, any Android mobile without talkback. Friends, you can see I can scroll, use talkback with one finger, means I can use my phone with my one finger, two finger, three finger, four finger. So like that guys, we can disable talkback setting in our Tecno mobile. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.